Hey, you! Yeah, you! Are you a tired teacher? Are you tired of grading papers and realizing your students just aren't getting it? Do your students think your teaching is just boring? Are you embarrassed to be waking up in a pool of your own drool after taking a nap? It's time to wake up and take the stage! Take the Stage is a series of interactive videos and lesson plans for kindergarten through 5th grade that teach the academics through the arts. Want to make teaching the states of matter exciting? Why not use Take the Stage videos and have your students dance the states of matter with the Gregory Brothers? Need to help your students find the author's purpose of a text? Create a little Take the Stage magic and have them draw the author's purpose with Magdalena and Marvin.
Author's purpose.
What if you just want to teach about historical people in a fun new way? Take the Stage has got you covered. Your students will act out amazing figures like MLK
I have a dream.
and Dolores Huerta.
Help start the United Farm Workers Union. Help the farm workers!
Aren't they the greatest? And guess what? Take the Stage is available online for the low, low, low price of
Yes!
I knew you could talk. Teachers like free. Take the Stage is 100% free because it's funded by grants and the kind people who love to donate to arts and education. You can also donate by going to the link below. But wait! There's more. ¿Sabías que Take the Stage también está en español? That's right! All Take the Stage videos and student worksheets are available in both English and Spanish. It comes in handy when you habla español.
Muy interesante.
¡Claro que sí!
Mariana, ¿escuchaste eso?
Detectives, necesitamos investigar la razón por la cual la mochila huele tan mal.
¿Y quién está haciendo ese ruido?
Well, my little tired teacher, what are you gonna do?
Take the Stage?
I can't hear you.
Take the Stage!
We have a winner! And you can support Take the Stage right now by voting for this video on the Project for Awesome website. The more you support, the more cool Take the Stage content can be made and brought to classrooms near you. Oh yeah, before I go, gotta give you some cool swag. Show the logo a bit more. Yeah, that's better. Great. And smile. Perfect.
Take the Stage is produced by the 501c3 nonprofit organization, Gordon Education Initiatives for the Performing Arts. All donations are 100% tax deductible. Stay tuned for brand new Take the Stage media being released in 2022. No desks were harmed in the making of this commercial.